Today I'm reviewing Sage Intelligence and giving a brief overview of its capabilities, including creating new reports, creating consolidated reports, and using standard reports. I'm going to review the flow of Sage Intelligence and show examples of what Sage Intelligence reporting has to offer. Sage Intelligence is a great way to see your financial business data in a logical format. You can access a variety of standard reports, multi-company consolidated reports, create your own custom reports, and customize existing reports. This gives you a real-time view of how your business is performing. This eliminates the need to have multiple reports where you are adding data manually. You now have the ability to access data immediately after your report opens. Sage Intelligence is an Excel-based reporting tool offering easy reporting and data analyzing through Excel. It offers many different report options: standard reports, which are the predefined reporting; Report Manager, which is a tool where you can customize existing reports, create new reports, and set up advanced report functionality, such as parameters and filters. There's also the connector, where you consolidate data across multiple companies, and this is the pathway where all the tables and fields are used in the report. My first example is a standard report. And in Sage Intelligence, in the right-hand side, in this task pane, there's a list of all the different reports that Sage offers. If you wanted to use that report, you would just drag and drop it right into Excel, and it would populate just like this. This is the balance sheet example. It also comes with instructions as well. So any of the reports that you dragged and dropped into Excel would now show up on the bottom here. Next is the Report Manager that we're going to go into, where you can create and modify reports. So in this financial folder, as our example, is a financial report. And if we run that report, it's going to run and look like this. And in this particular example, this was designed for a customer who wanted to see two different companies, and they wanted many different options to be shown: balance sheets, income statements, monthly income statements, cash flow statements. So I have a few examples here that you can see how we designed it, and this is all customizable. There's a cash flow statement that we designed as well. And then we took both companies and put it into a consolidated balance sheet in this example. The next is still in Report Manager, but it's going to be a consolidated report. And in this, we've pulled up 4 different companies. This is also where you can add the columns you want to see, as well as that functionality I talked about earlier with the parameters and filters as well. And once you run this report, you will get a consolidated data report that is going to look like this, and it is going to show, in this particular example, we have all of our company codes listed first. So you can see the 4 different companies that we reported on show up in this report and all of their data with it. Once you have this data report, you can now build all of the pivot tables off of that report. Again, all the customized functionality that you want, it's here in this report. I also wanted to show the connector, and this is where you set up all the tables and fields used in the reports. And you can join tables and add all of the columns and the fields that you will then use for the reporting. And thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please call us at Stewart Technologies. Thank you.